Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've got about 5,000 uploads. It's important you hear what I have to say because I was the Internal Revenue Service, and knowing IRS, I can tell you how IRS works. So today, let me see what I'm doing in insider information about resolving IRS tax debt. Well, I've done this about 10,000 times at least. My team have about former agents. We have about 250 years of direct IRS work experience. Go to my website and learn about me. Let me tell you insider information about resolving IRS tax debt. Is you have to know the system itself. If you know the system by looking down at it at 30,000 feet, you can resolve your IRS tax debt. This is how IRS tax debt works. IRS sends you a number of bills on their CADE2 computer. CADE, they send you the LT14, the CP501, CP503, CP504 certified, LT11, and then the 1058 letter. So all those letters let you know, and all the letters mean something. It lets you know where you are in the system. So eventually IRS wants to resolve your case and take it off the IRS enforcement computer and actually close the case. That's what their goal is. They don't care how much money they make. They have to close your case by using what their Internal Revenue Service manual allows them to go ahead and do. So what is IRS going to do? They're going to look at a financial statement on everyone, and they want it documented. With that, IRS is going to put you in either currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or maybe you're an offer and compromise candidate. So the strategy is everything is built around this pillar called the IRS financial statement, because when you send a documented financial statement, I used to do this, I know exactly what I'm going to do to your case. So the key is understanding what the national standard is and what IRS is going to value your assets at. So the key in resolving the tax debt is knowing everything about either the 433F, which is used at the service center, or the 433A used by the local revenue officer. They're going to look at two things. They're going to look at your assets and the value, and they're going to look at your income versus your expenses. Here's the kicker. Here's the kicker. Here's the kicker. IRS is going to substitute 4 areas of expenses and take yours out. So they're not going to use yours. For the areas of food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, car expenses, IRS is going to put theirs in because the Department of Labor says this is what they must use. So anyway, at the end of the day, when you know the financial statement, if you give that to me, I'll actually tell you the outcome of your case. That's why we're good in representation. If you need me, give me a call, give me a subscription. I tell you everything that you need, and make sure all your tax returns are filed. If you're self-employed, you have to be making estimate payments. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate your time. Give me a subscription. Remember, we're good for representation too. Thank you.